Hi, Haley. Happy 19-month birthday. What are you doing this month? Are you running everywhere? Do you say hi? Hi, Haley. Haley. You say bye? Bye-bye. No? Haley. Hey, come here. Haley Lillian. Haley, do you like to cause trouble? Haley, what do you say? Uh-oh. Say it again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You say hi. You say bye. Bye-bye. Haley. Bye-bye. All right. You're running everywhere. You say hi. You say bye. You say uh-oh. You watch mommy go on the potty. And this is a very special birthday for you because today you're 19 months. And tomorrow your baby sister or brother will be 19 weeks old. Don't you think that's good? Say baby. Baby. Haley. Haley. Baby. Baby. Haley. You say mama. Say mama. All right. You're not talking to anyone tonight. We're going to go give you a bath. Do you like a bath? Let's go upstairs. Can you blow me a kiss? Mwah. Haley. Haley, blow me a kiss. Kiss. Mwah. Go, 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 go. All right. As you can see, you don't pay any attention to me. But I love you. You love me? You say banana? You say mama? You say baby? You say up? All right. Well, maybe next month you'll be more talkative. I love you. Happy birthday, Haley.